Does doing actions during wudu like pulling up my sleeves or turning the tap break the wudu? This short period of time between the actions of wudu will not break the wudu. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, as Anas radiallahu anh said, that he saw a person and he saw in that person's foot appeared a portion like the size of a nail, which was not touched by water. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, go back and perfect your wudu. Some of the ulama said that he ordered him to go back and to wash that part in particular. And that's why the ulama rahimahumullah, all of them agree, if the fasil, if the period between washing one part of the wudu and the other is a small period of time, it is okay and it is valid. And how they basically consider that, they'll be said, if he wait until it dry by itself, that's considered a long period of time by itself in a normal climate environment. But if it is not that long and still will not, that's not enough time for it to dry, they said even that break will be allowed. Let's say you answer your phone, but you didn't stay for half an hour. You say like, you know what, yes, inshallah I will do it, let me finish my wudu and call you back. And you put it back, then you continue your wudu, it is fine. Al-ulama rahimahullah, and that's the majority of the fuqaha. Even the Hanafi scholars and Ata before Abu Hanifa, and Ibn Sa'id al-Musayyib, and Al-Awza'i, and Ibn Hazm, and Ibn al-Mundhir, many scholars, they said that al-mu'ala is not even a condition. They said it is sunnah to do it right after another. But even if the break is long, it is still acceptable. Okay, so there is even some scholars go that far. I don't take that position. I do believe that you should not make a long break between the body parts that you're making wudu for. So in the matter of rolling your sleeves or removing your hijab to wipe over your head or put it back, then wash your, or thing of that nature, inshallah it will be sufficient. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us our act of worship.